Hello everyone. Today, I'm bringing you the latest update on the Tecno mobile price list on Shopee this May 2025. Let's kick things off with one of the most anticipated lineups, the Tecno Camon 40 series. If you're planning to upgrade your phone or looking for a great value for money device, you'll want to check these out. 1. Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. A true game changer in the mid-range category with flagship level features. Key specs: 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, Android 15 with iOS 15, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultimate 4nm, 8GB or 12GB RAM with 256GB ROM, 50 megapixels main camera, Sony LYT700C with OIS, 50 megapixels front camera, 5200 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Shopee price: 12,099 pesos for 8GB RAM, 14,099 pesos for 12GB RAM. 2. Tecno Camon 40 Premier. Premium performance, stunning visuals, and power in your hands. Key specs: 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, 144Hz refresh rate, 1600 nits peak brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, Android 15 with iOS 15, MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate 4nm, 12GB RAM with 256GB ROM, 50 megapixels rear camera, 50 megapixels front camera, 5100 mAh battery. Shopee price: 20,599 pesos. 3. Tecno Camon 40. Stylish, powerful, and budget-friendly, perfect for everyday users. Key specs: 6.78-inch FHD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, scratch-resistant glass, Android 15 with iOS 15, MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate 6nm, 8GB RAM with 256GB ROM, 50 megapixels main camera, Sony LYT700C with OIS, 32 megapixels front camera. Shopee price: 9,099 pesos. Don't miss out. These devices are now available on Shopee this May 2025, grab yours while stocks last. Whether you're a content creator, mobile gamer, or just want a stylish, powerful phone, the Camon 40 series has something for you.